హలో గైస్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్ కల్పన పై ఇంజన్. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం వర్చు ఇన్ఫోసిస్ స్ప్రింగ్ వర్చువల్ ఇంటర్న్షిప్ 7.0 registrations are open. How to apply for this virtual internships? Let's see. Here, ga- uh, what's in it for you? Gains hands of experience, project-based learning, learns from industry leaders. Who can apply? Applicants must have passed 12th standards from a recognized board of university, and applicants must be pursuing or having completed graduation or post graduation. How to apply? Visit the channel page, choose your interest area and complete the application. Here it is important note, deadline to apply for internship is March 31st. We have time, around 8 days of time we have, so please apply quickly. Deadline to complete the recommended courses is May 5, 2026. Let's see how to apply. Click here to visit and apply. In this we have to minimize this page, and here we will see Infosys Springboard Internship, empowering students with industry ready technology skills. We are happy to announce the launch of 7th edition of Infosys Springboard Internship. Our internship program has been launchpad for aspiring enthusiasts, providing a platform to work on real world projects and gain exposure to the latest technologies. How to apply? Here, eligible are applicants must have passed 12th standards or equivalent from a recognized board of university. Commitment: we are looking for enthusiastic learners committed to an 8-week virtual internship. This internship is for students only. Working professions and alumni of previous batches should not apply. Okay. Process of nomination and shortlist. Ensure you have to register on or before March 31st, 2026. Nominations for accuracy. Fill the nomination form. Course completion. We have to they will assign some courses. We have to complete that courses. Next, post selection and internship journey. Batch allocation. Shortlisted interns will be allocated to various batch. Stay updated regularly. Check the mails for all updates and session. Attendance: be regular in attending virtual sessions with your mentors. Takes leaves prior permissions for any leaves. Participate activity in all sessions. Contribute effectively to the complete of your project. Certification and milestone. Deadline is March 31st. Don't forget that one. Certificate and eligibility for the award of internship completion certificate. Your attendance and is important for this. The internship will be split into 4 milestones. An average of 4 milestone scores will be considered to qualify your certificate. How to apply? Here we have the categories of learning parts. First we will see this one. We have 5 domains in this: artificial intelligence, Angular full stack, Python technology stack, Java technology stack, and data visualization. In artificial intelligence, we have to complete these modules on or before May 5. We have to complete this one. And Angular full stack, we have all these pre-contents. We have to complete all on or before May 5. And Python technology, we have these pre-contents. And Java technology, we have these contents. And data visualizations, we have these contents. These are the pre-contents we have to complete on or before the May 5. Okay. How to apply? Here choose a technology area. We have to choose one domain among 5, and you would be most interested in for the project, and complete self nomination by March 31st. To eligible, start your learning journey if you select a technology area and complete all recommended courses in corresponding learning path of on or before 5. Okay. Click here to apply. We will see how to apply. Here we have to accept the term and conditions. Next, we will see one nominations for the internship Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.0. Enter your full name, enter your email ID, and enter your institute name where you are pursuing education. Enter your name of the city, enter your state, which domain you have selected to apply for internship. Choose your education. If your answer was other, then you have to write what you are pursuing. Please enter current year of UG or PG you are pursuing. Please enter expected year of graduation. Are you working profession? Note, internship is only for students only. Working professions need not to apply. Where you have selected previous internships with Infosys Springboard. Select all these, fill this form and select continue it will submit it to the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship. This is the process how to apply for the Infosys Springboard Virtual Internship 7.4. 7.0. Thank you for watching. If this content is useful for you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos.